Bed.
Bed.
I sleep on my bed every night.
I sleep on my bed every night.
Pillow.
Pillow.
I rest my head on the pillow.
I rest my head on the pillow.
Blanket.
Blanket.
Cover yourself with a blanket.
Cover yourself with a blanket.
Sheets.
Sheets.
Change the sheets every week.
Change the sheets every week.
Mattress.
Mattress.
A comfortable mattress helps you sleep well.
A comfortable mattress helps you sleep well.
Nightstand.
Nightstand.
Put your lamp on the nightstand.
Put your lamp on the nightstand.
Lamp.
Lamp.
I read under the lamp at night.
I read under the lamp at night.
Alarm clock.
Alarm clock.
Wake up early with an alarm clock.
Wake up early with an alarm clock.
Closet.
Closet.
I keep my clothes in the closet.
I keep my clothes in the closet.
Dresser.
Dresser.
Put your folded clothes in the dresser.
Put your folded clothes in the dresser.
Mirror.
Mirror.
Look at yourself in the mirror.
Look at yourself in the mirror.
Curtains.
Curtains.
Close the curtains before sleeping.
Close the curtains before sleeping.
Rug.
Rug.
Place a rug near the bed.
Place a rug near the bed.
Chair.
Chair.
Sit on the chair to read.
Sit on the chair to read.
Desk.
Desk.
I do my homework at the desk.
I do my homework at the desk.
Bookshelf.
Bookshelf.
Put books on the bookshelf.
Put books on the bookshelf.
Ceiling fan.
Ceiling fan.
Turn on the ceiling fan to stay cool.
Turn on the ceiling fan to stay cool.
Picture frame.
Picture frame.
Hang a picture frame on the wall.
Hang a picture frame on the wall.
Window.
Window.
Open the window to get fresh air.
Open the window to get fresh air.
Carpet.
Carpet.
The carpet makes the room cozy.
The carpet makes the room cozy.
Chest.
Chest.
Store extra blankets in the chest.
Store extra blankets in the chest.
Lampshade.
Lampshade.
The lampshade softens the light.
The lampshade softens the light.
Footstool.
Footstool.
Rest your feet on the footstool.
Rest your feet on the footstool.
Drawer.
Drawer.
Open the drawer to find socks.
Open the drawer to find socks.
Quilt.
Quilt.
A quilt keeps you warm in winter.
A quilt keeps you warm in winter.
Comforter.
Comforter.
The comforter is thick and cozy.
The comforter is thick and cozy.
Vanity.
Vanity.
She puts on makeup at the vanity.
She puts on makeup at the vanity.
Stool.
Stool.
He sat on the stool by the desk.
He sat on the stool by the desk.
Hanger.
Hanger.
Hang your shirts on a hanger.
Hang your shirts on a hanger.
Headboard.
Headboard.
The headboard is behind the bed.
The headboard is behind the bed.